Hi viewers, I hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Naeem and today we are discuss about the creation of engaging Urdu story videos for children using just your mobile phone. This is not only that, but these videos have the potential to go viral, generating thousands of views and earning you a significant income. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and powerful method to create animated story videos in Urdu and English without any prior experience or expensive equipment. Stay with me till the end because I'll reveal each step in detail so you can start making videos and earning money today. Don't forget to subscribe Trend AI today. Let's take an example of a story of Baba Rahman. A journey begins once upon a time. In a peaceful village near the mountains, lived an old and kind-hearted man named Baba Rahman. He was known for his generosity and wisdom. Despite having a simple life, Baba Rahman was never alone. He had two loyal companions, a strong and intelligent donkey named Salah and a playful yet faithful dog named Sheru. The three of them shared an unbreakable bond, always helping the villagers and embarking on little adventures together. Children love listening to such heartwarming and meaningful stories, and they tend to watch them repeatedly. This high engagement increases audience retention, which is a key factor in making your videos go viral. If you learn how to create these types of videos, you too can earn thousands or even lakhs of rupees per month. Step 1. How to generate your story using AI. Creating an interesting story like Baba Rahman's is easier than you think. You don't need to be a professional writer because AI tools can help you generate stories within minutes. Here's how. First, open your browser and visit Google Groups or any AI-powered story generator. Second, enter your story idea. It can be about friendship, adventure, or life lessons. Third, click enter, and within seconds, the tool will generate a complete story in both Urdu and English. Fourth, copy both versions of the story and save them for the next step. Now question is that why use both languages? It is because it expands your audience. Urdu stories attract local viewers, while English subtitles or voiceovers help reach a global audience. Step 2. Turning your story into an animated video. Now that you have your story, it's time to transform it into a professional-looking animated video. First, visit LTX Studio, a powerful online tool that converts text into animations. Second, paste your story into the text editor. Third, click the stick to the script button. This ensures the visuals match your story perfectly. Fourth, hit next, and the tool will start generating your characters and scenes. Step 3. Creating characters and choosing a video style. Every story needs characters and a beautiful setting. Since our story is about Baba Rahman and his friends, here's what we need. Characters of story: Baba Rahman, a kind-hearted old man; Salah, a strong and intelligent donkey; Sheru, a mischievous but loyal dog. Locations: village, Baba Rahman's home; jungle, where their adventure takes place; river, a crucial scene in the story. LTX Studio offers different video styles like 3D cartoon, whiteboard animation, and motion graphics. Choose the one that best fits your storytelling style. If you want a unique look, you can even upload your own custom images. Once your characters are generated, click Next to proceed to the animation phase. Step 4. Generating animated scenes and voiceovers. Now, let's bring our story to life. Scene generation. The website will divide your story into multiple scenes. Automatic animation. Each scene will have visuals, background effects, and character motions. Voiceovers. Choose between AI-generated narration or record your own voice to make it more personal. Pro tip: use video editing apps like KineMaster, CapCut, or Adobe Premiere Rush to fine-tune the visuals and add background music for a more professional touch. Step 5. Publishing and earning money from your videos. Your video is now ready, but how do you make money from it? Number 1. Monetization through YouTube ads. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. Number 2. Sponsorships and brand deals. Companies might pay you to promote their products in your videos. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting relevant digital products. Number 4. Selling digital content. Once you grow your audience, you can sell ebooks or premium stories. Start your YouTube journey today. Now that you know the secret to creating viral animated story videos, what's stopping you? Start today. Experiment with different story ideas and watch your channel grow. If you ever feel stuck, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Share this with friends who might be interested in YouTube earnings. Let's create, inspire, and earn together.